Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe Whitehorse and I'm doing the 30-day Badass Biker Babe Build Challenge by Biker Bob's Chop Shop. And if you remember, I've coined it the Heartthrob. I want it done by the Renegade Babes Women's Ride-In Show March 6th at Destination Daytona, Teddy Moro's Daytona Harley. Come along and find out what I do today. Here's our old wiring harness. Here's some of the wiring. Our battery box we sprayed last night, there was a goober here and we couldn't get it quite to fit against here quite well, so I had to grind that all off so we get a tight fit. Test fit to see how everything fits in instead of just shoving it in. It's nice to get things to fit. Now this is a big wrench. I'm gonna just do a test fit of the cover and leave it on just with this one bolt for right now. Took out the Ultima Ignition and put in a Daytona Twin Tech. We hear it's the best on the market right now. Surprisingly, it was in one of the other two bikes that we were pulling parts from in the beginning of the build. I took my throttle cable bracket off of the old one and I'm putting it on the new one because it was too clunky and I'm gonna have to cut it off anyways because I'm running one and it won't fit into the space that we have. Do y'all see my bolts? Lawson Tough Torques. Are you ready to get fired up? Today we got the bike turned over. That was cool. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to follow along.